Having trouble with your eSIM on US Mobile? Let's tackle the common issues head on. Activation failures often stem from incompatible devices or expired QR codes. First, verify your phone supports eSIM via the US Mobile website or your device settings. For QR code issues, ensure you're using the latest version of the US Mobile app and that the code hasn't expired. They're usually valid for 24 to 48 hours. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial during activation. No service errors typically mean the eSIM profile isn't correctly installed or your device isn't registering on the network. Restart your device first. Then, double-check your IMEI number in your phone's settings against what's listed on your US Mobile account. Finally, try resetting your network settings. This often resolves registration problems. Remember, eSIM profiles are encrypted, making them secure, but these steps ensure they're properly installed and connected. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, it's time for more advanced fixes. Contact US Mobile support directly. They can remotely diagnose profile issues or reissue a QR code. For persistent QR code scanning problems, try clearing your camera cache or using a different QR code scanner app. If you're still stuck, ask US Mobile support about manual IMEI-based activation as a last resort. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is improving rapidly. By 2025, experts predict half of US mobile devices will use eSIM. Future developments include AI-powered troubleshooting tools that can automatically diagnose and fix eSIM issues. The FCC is also pushing for standardized protocols to improve interoperability between carriers. While problems are transitional, with experts predicting they'll be rare by 2026, staying updated with the latest software and understanding these fixes will keep you connected seamlessly.